wait a minute now. There's a motherfucking beat. Okay.
Hit me. Hit me, hit me, It's smentalnotes. I said smentalnotes. Check me out. Check me out. I said smentalnotes. Check me out. Check me out.
Talk your shit. Duh. Good morning. I am at Centennial Park. Shout out to Centennial Park. Nice little park. But I need to calm my nerves. Today I will be doing my WAD play, which means writers, actors, and directors, brought to you by DFAS, Dustin Felder Acting Studios. It's gonna be dope. This is my second one that I've done, and I can definitely say it's well worth it. Well worth it. I mean, you get to really indulge in acting. Like, we get our scripts today, we get our directions today, all done through one day. And we have 2 shows tonight, 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock. I believe the scene is only gonna be like 5 to 10 minutes long, but when I tell you, I'm low-key nervous. But hey, this is what I wanna do, you know what I mean? Look at all these people, random people. Well, I wouldn't say random, it's some type of Jehovah's Witness conference. Oh, but yes, gotta go up in there and get my script and everything, but I just want to sit and talk. So just 1 second.
Motherfucking beat.
Sit my shit down. Well, everything but my coffee. Oh, say hello to my water. It's a half a gallon. Gotta get my body right for this trip. Okay, so when it comes to this acting life, it's very, not, wouldn't say stressful, but kind of brings the anxiety in me. In 1 second, let me fix this. Ooh, that motherfucker be back. If anybody's following me who's an actor or actress, please, let's link up. Let's reach out. Let me get all the advice that you can possibly give, because you know what? I am upcoming. I have done movies, I have done short films, I have done commercials, but I do have the tools in order for me to succeed. So I am definitely, after today, going to press forward, because I need to. I mean, why wouldn't I, you know? These are just the shit that goes through my mind, y'all. Don't pay me no mind. I'm just trying to relieve my stress. I don't think I'm late. Hopefully not. I'm probably still early. So I just want to sit and just take a time. I'm just blabbering on.
Blah, 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 blah.
I kind of hate this because I literally love this lighting way better than I like the last one, and I really just recorded that whole thing. Well, it should, and this man is all in my face. Hi, motherfucker. But no, seriously, it's gonna be awesome. You're gonna get so much of me today. You're gonna get a lot of vlogging. I'm sorry, but my fucking arm is tired. I don't understand how you guys just hold this shit up. Maybe that's why people get cameras, you know what I mean? Maybe that's why. And his hair, so wild and free. What am I gonna eat today? So, I will be vlogging my day today. You guys will get to see how I rehearse for this day play. Oh, I hate that I say a lot of ums. Bear with me, okay? This is all new for me. I don't understand. Do they cut out the ums? Do they edit the ums out? No? Fuck it. So, yes, I'm going to be vlogging my whole day from beginning to the end. I'm going to implement my performance I'm gonna make sure that somebody records it for me, at least one, because it is 2 shows, but it's gonna be the same thing, so don't really need to see the shit twice. But yeah, it's gonna be, there it is. Good grief. It's so many people out here though. They're Jehovah Witness. I'm sorry, this bee just keep killing me. Y'all get the fuck out of my face. But yes, all these people. I'm in Centennial Park. It's literally 7:30 in the morning. Bright as hell, bright and early. Good morning. This acting journey has been very, I wouldn't say stressful, but it is not easy. It is not easy. And I would say it is easy, because if you really just do it, the opportunities would just come. For me, I have real anxiety when it comes to people judging me. I have real anxiety when it comes to me just being in an area or leading up to it. On the spot now, it's a wrap, you know what I mean? When I get booked for movies or short films or commercials, nothing too big yet, but it's big for me, you know what I mean? Because the more I practice, that's where my shit comes from, you know what I'm saying? I remember coming to every class having so much anxiety because I was just nervous all the time. Oh no, are they gonna like me? Are they gonna care? Am I doing this for real, or does it seem like I'm playing around? I mean, what am I supposed to do getting in front of these people and literally spilling out my acting guts so they can judge me? Oh, I know, it was just so much, but this is my second play that I'm doing, and the first one really helped with all of those nerves. It really did. Like, it was like I wasn't nervous anymore. But you know what? In order to get what I gotta get, I gotta do what I gotta do. You understand what I'm saying? Wherever I am going, when I'm going, it's up to me. Why? And it's really because I just gotta move how I need to move when I need to move. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of times y'all ain't just see that motherfucking beat. It was like right the fuck here. We looked at each other. I think it wants me. All this luscious chocolate. No, but seriously, acting is something that I really love to do. It allows me to separate myself from reality but still be myself in the character. I'm learning how, just really how to be the character and in the moment. That's why I love these plays, because I can really be in the moment. Crazy thing is, I always said I wasn't ever gonna do plays, because there's no 1 take, 2 take, 3 take type of situation. It's literally right there, right then and there. Fuck up, it's okay, gotta keep going. And I think I really enjoy that. I enjoy the rush that it gives me, you know what I'm saying? Because at that point, in any given moment, shit, if the words is wrong, you ain't gonna know it. Who gonna know it? Not you. Because the bitch gonna tip around it, you know what I'm saying? And you would never know, because I've learned to do that. The audience doesn't know. The audience doesn't even know the fucking script. You know the script. So, make your own in that moment, you feel me? Just keep it going, don't stop. Okay, perfect. Well, I guess it's time for me to go. I hate that the other video was definitely, the fucking lighting was not this good. So I probably won't be using that part, but I might still, depending on how I feel. Might put a filter on that bitch. Slap that ass. Oh yes, so later on I'm doing this 90s party, so I'm probably, 90s silent party for my homeboy Anton's birthday. So I might just do a get ready with me, and don't judge me. I swear I thought GRWM was grown women, so, well listen, it was only women doing it, so shh. So listen, I'm gonna do one of those later on. I have to get ready here at the Acting Studios, but I might just do one quick, like, you know, it doesn't take me that long to do my makeup. I mean, come on. It really takes y'all 2 hours? Not at all, not for me. So yes, I'm gonna be getting ready. I'm gonna be silent, so I'm gonna do a voice over everything that I'm doing. Swear I only use about 5 products. I don't go heavy on shit at all. But then you get to see my outfit and what I decided to put on. I'm excited. I'm a 90s girl to a T. You understand? Understand? Okay. But hey, be great. Always, always, always be your best self, because your future self is waiting for you. I mean, why not be your future self right now, so that way when you get to your future self, there will be no question, no type of questioning happening. There will be no type of lack of confidence. You don't understand what I mean? Because what you do now is going to reflect your future self. I mean, that's what karma is, guys. But listen, it's just Ease Mental Notes. I don't really know, but I know everything at the same time. All right. So we just got our scripts. Well, I didn't get my script yet. They gave it to the damn director, but where the fuck did they go? I just needed to clean out my fucking clean out my damn water bottle, and everybody was fucking gone. So now I'm trying to find out where everybody is, and that's not easy as fuck at all. Fucking lights behind me. I'm super salty because I don't know where the fuck I'm going, and for 2, I am rehearsing from 3 to 4 when I need to go back to the fucking house to get my clothes for the night and shit. So might have to stretch my call time till 5:30. Hopefully he'll let me do it, but let me go find these people.
Hit me. It's Ease Mental Notes. I said Ease Mental Notes. Check me out.